What's up YouTube? It's your boy Lowpes and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be working on the K20 Civic. We're going to be heading out to a meet later and checking out a few builds there too. It's my first meet of the year. Things are finally opening up, so I'm super excited. I'm going to show you what we're going to do to the K20 Civic, and then we're going to take the Gen Civic and go to that meet later. So we'll be installing this today. That's the valve color I went with. Yellow. I think it's going to complement the red very nicely. It's going to pop. And then we have an Acuity oil instruments cap to put on. I'm super excited to check this out and actually put this in and see how this looks. I think it's going to look a lot better than that valve cover. It's going to pop, and that's what the bay is missing now, is something there, because that is all dirty. I left it dirty because I knew I was going to switch it out. If you're looking to get any Acuity products, use the link down in my description below. It doesn't really give you a discount. You pay the exact same, but what happens is I get a bit of a kickback, and which helps me create these videos and continue to give you guys content on the 10th Gen and the 6th Gen Si. That's just my little spiel for today. Let's get into this. First, what we're going to do is we're going to take off the coil packs and everything basically connected to the head. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, if you can kind of see over there, bolts to take out. I believe there are 10s. We're going to have a new gasket, new bolts, new everything to put in to hold it down, and we'll reuse the oil dipstick for now, but we'll be getting one for sure. And yeah, I'm super excited to get this done. I think this will complement the bay big time. This has just gotta go. So that's how it looks without the valve cover on. As you can see, everything looks pretty good here actually. Obviously a little bit of wear here and there. It is an older motor, but not too bad, not too shabby. What do you guys think down below? I think the valve cover is gonna look sick. I swear to God, I think it's gonna look really good. I'm gonna get the new valve cover prepped and ready to go if it wants to focus in, and we'll put it on. This is what I went with right here. It comes with everything you need. Everything aside from the actual nuts itself. The nuts I will get new ones in the future, but your gasket, all your seals, and everything. This is from Fel Pro. It's not too bad. I've used this in the past on EP3 and I had no problems with it, so we're going to use it again. Thanks to Garage 16 for hooking it up as always. On these corners here of the motor, we're going to put a bit of Honda Bond and clean up the existing Honda Bond, as you see right here, and just put a little there, and just so it can help stick and heat better. So right there also you can see it's a little brown, and right there, and that corner, if it focuses in right there. God damn, it's looking good. Definitely need a new dipstick, and we still have to put that on. I gotta see if I have nuts that would fit. If you see here, you can see that I had to kind of switch these two just because the bolts are oriented with the cover there. Have to see if this fits just because this K-tune wire is pretty thick. It should. I just got to mess around with it a little bit. I'm going to put that on and I'm going to show you guys the finished product. God damn, this looks good. Hell yeah. I still need another nut for there, and these are just all temporary nuts and bolts for now just to get it assembled to show you guys. One thing I'm going to have to see is if the grounds are grounded properly because of the powder coating. So if you're having trouble starting your car, just know that. You might have to sand it down. But there's the K-tune filter there. But god damn, that looks good. What do you guys think down below? This was the second most voted color that we did. If you don't get the notifications, make sure to turn on your notifications so that you can have some say in the build like this. You guys chose red. The only reason I didn't do red is going to be a lot of red. That's the only thing, but the yellow was the second most chosen. And eventually, I got some shifter cable bushings from a cutie to put in there, and we're going to do some cables eventually because that is killing me. That's the only thing in this bay that's really, really bothering me right now. But it's pretty much almost on the road. It is insured. We're ready to go. Just have to install an exhaust, get an alignment, and we'll be cracking some VTEC. So let me know what you guys think down below. I think it looks absolutely great. I'm just looking at it right now, so I keep looking down. It looks sick. The carbon Kevlar really, really pops, and even with the yellow, looks really good. This bay is gonna look super, super nice, and I'm so excited. I will see you guys a little later. We're gonna get ready to go to the meet. It is not far from the house whatsoever. We're gonna go to the tent trend. This is almost meet ready, so meet ready. A little weird, eh? What a journey this car has been. I'm super excited to get this bay like show worthy. Doesn't look like it has anything really from the outside. You pop the bay and you see this, and it's pretty sick, guys. God damn, that thing's clean. What's up, man? Let's get it. Damn. This thing's aggressive, eh? It looks nice. We just did a comparison between the two builds. The video is going to be on his channel. I will link it down below. You got to make sure you check him out. He's got some dope Mazda Speed 3 content, and I think the comparison between the two is actually, I think it's going to be a very interesting video because they're very different, like similar in certain ways. But I'm excited. Exactly. I'm excited to see how that turns out. And we did some flybys and pulls and a bit of a rev battle. So I think you guys should go check that out. Links down below for his channel. Trust me, I think you'll enjoy it. Holy shit, that meet was wild. People were two-stepping, revving, drifting around corners. That was a little too wild for my type of meet. I'd like something a little more calm. I got a few cinematic shots, but every single time I wanted to actually vlog and talk to you guys, there was a two-step. I'm not even exaggerating. I think there's a two-step every 30 seconds. There's probably 100 plus cars there. It was quite insane. I was hoping to get a little more footage for you guys. The really cool thing is I got to talk and meet a lot of you. Like I never expected a response like I did, and having as many people come up to me and say you watch a channel and you follow the builds and everything, like I really appreciate that. Like I have no problem talking to you guys. Like if you guys ever have any questions or anything, DM me, ask me. If you see me in person, ask me in person. I try to help as many people as I can. But yeah, like I was a little overwhelming with how many people were coming up. It was kind of cool though at the same time. I guess it's expected in the territory of doing YouTube videos, but if you're ever nervous, come say hi. Please don't. I'm just a normal dude that just picks up a camera and talks to it like a weirdo. But there was our vlog for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We did some work on the 99 Civic. We saw a few little clips of the Speed 3, and then we went to that crazy ass meet. I know this is probably not a super long vlog, but I hope you guys enjoyed it anyways. stay tuned. We're going to do a review on his Speed 3, and he has a lot of things done to it, and it looks pretty badass, so I'm excited to do it. Once again, if you guys want to check out his channel, down below, check it out. If you enjoy Speed 3 content, or him and his content, because you'll get other cars in the future, subscribe to him. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. Peace out. Do it once, do it right. Later.